All right, here working on a pressed steel bathtub. It's got a few chips in it. I'm gonna repair them. I'm gonna start with an acid etch. I'm gonna clean, rinse the tub, do an acid etch, and then I'm gonna fill and repair the chips. And then once the chips are dry, I'm gonna sand them down, put on a white bond bonding agent, and then spray the material. So here's the tub. Pretty straightforward. I'll clean that out a little bit, but I'm only going to be working on the areas of the tub. Anything above, that's not my problema. First thing I'm going to do is wipe down the tub with a Scotch-Brite scrubbing pad, and then I'm going to rinse it off to get any like soap scum, anything like that, because when you put the acid on, if there's soap scum, it actually won't get to the original surface. So you've got to remove the soap scum first, rinse it off, and then do the acid. I'm gonna go ahead and tape off and mask off the tub. Once it's dry, I'm gonna go ahead and sand down the entire tub. right, so I'm just now ready to spray. Everything's masked off, everything's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead, paint's mixed up, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it the first coat of 3, maybe 4, and then I'll pull down, touch up a little caulking, and we're good to go.